Now first one, DC distributor. DC distributor DC distributor feed at one end. At one end means, what is the meaning of this one? Means supply corresponding to this portion. Okay, that is A and that is B. Okay, this one is a C, this one is a D, this one is a E, whatever, that is C, D and that is E. Current corresponding to I1, I2 and I3. Okay, make like this one. Okay, clear? What is the meaning of this one? Resistance corresponding to this one, R of AC. Resistance corresponding to this one, this portion, that is R of CD. Resistance corresponding to this one, that is DE. Resistance corresponding to this one, that is EB. Okay, so what about current in this section, and what about current, that is I3 in this section, I2 plus I3, so I2 plus I3, and this one I1 plus I2 plus I3, I1 plus I2 plus I3. Clear? What is the meaning of this one? Okay, so clear? Current feed from, so you can say that current feed from point A, that is IA this equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Okay, next current feed from point C, okay, or you can say that from current feed from section, this section CD, this section from section CD, that is ICD. ICD is written as I2 plus I3, I2 plus I3. Similarly, current feed from section DE, so IDE is written as IDE is simply only I3. Okay, only I3. And current from EB, what about EB? That is 0. Why? Because no current flow from here to here, that's why. Okay, clear? What is the meaning of this one? Now next one, voltage drop. Voltage drop corresponding to this section, in section V of AC, or you can say that AC, that is V of AC. I of AC means, V of AC means, what about resistance and current? Current is I1 plus I2 plus I3, and what about resistance? That is R of AC. Similarly, CD, V of CD is written as CD is equal to, you can say that I2 plus I3 into R of CD. Okay, similarly DE, voltage drop corresponding to DE is written as I3 into RDE. Clear? And voltage corresponding to EB, EB is written as 0 because no current. Okay, that's why. If suppose that current flowing through here, then also we got voltage drop corresponding to this portion, otherwise no. Okay, clear? So you can say that voltage drop, total voltage drop, sometime asking corresponding to total voltage drop in the distributor, that is V of AC, V of CD, V of DE and plus V of EB. Okay, that is EB. Okay, and this value, this value, this value and this value put here and got the answer. Okay, sometime this voltage drop, this voltage is given, that is VA. Determine VC, VD and VE and VB. Okay, so how can determine? Here first of all make it, after that I have discussed corresponding to this one portion. Okay, I know that simply a network, suppose that this portion, actual representation of this one, R of AC means simply resistance represent like this one, R of AC, and current I of AC. That this point is A and that point is C. Actual, what is the meaning of this one? Actual meaning of this one is that is plus minus plus minus. Okay, that is VA and that is VC and that is I of AC, and plus minus that is R of AC. Apply KVL in this loop, minus VA plus I of AC into R of AC plus VC, this is equal to 0. So what about VC? VC this is equal to VA minus I of AC into R of AC. Clear? Simply, if you determine VC means this voltage minus this voltage drop. Okay, if you determine VD it means VC minus I of CD into I, that is I of CD. This portion, this current is I of CD, this current is I of AC, and this current is I of DE. Clear? So I of CD into R of CD. Okay, now next one VC. VC this equal to, sorry, VD and VE. What about VE? VE is VD minus I of DE into R of DE. Okay, now next one. Clear? How can determine? If you VC, VD, VE, and what about VB? VB this equal to VE minus no current. If you have current, then written as EB into R of EB. But here this current is 0, that's why VB is equal to VE. Okay, any doubt corresponding to this one? If any doubt, then write on the comment. Okay, and first of all make it, after that I have discussed problems. Okay, make it. Now corresponding to question, a 2-wire DC distributor cable. First of all make the diagram, that is A and that is B. 2 kilometer long supply, that is 2-wire system, and current 100 ampere, after that 150 ampere, after that 200 ampere, after that 50 ampere, means like this one, that is 50 ampere. Okay, situated 500 meter, that is 500 meter, and that is 1000, that is C point, that is D, and that is E. Okay, 500 from here to here, after that 1000 means this one is also 500 in between. Okay, now that is 1600 means that is distance between D to E, that is 600. Okay, and this one is a 400. Clear? Distance between these two. Clear? First of all, clear? Corresponding to question, and that is 2000 meter from here to here, that is 2000 meter. Okay, from this to this. Okay, now feeding point A, that is A. Each conductor has resistance 0.1 ohm per 1000 meter, but that is 2 conductor. So what about resistance? resistance, actual resistance is 2 into, that is 2 wire DC distributor. Corresponding to this one is, say, each conductor has a resistance of 0.01 ohm per, so 2 into 0.01 per 1000 meter. Clear? Means that is 0.02 per 1000 meter. Clear? Now first of all determine in this section, what about current in this section, that is 50 ampere. What about current in this section, 200 plus 50, that is 250 ampere, and current 250 plus 150, that is 400 ampere, and this one is 4 plus 1, that is 500 ampere in this section. Okay, so current in AC section, that is I of AC is written as 500 ampere, and CD section, that is I of CD, this is equal to 400 ampere, and next one DE section, that is I of DE, that is 250 ampere. Similarly EB section, that is I of EB, that is 50 ampere. Clear? 500, 400, 250 and 50 ampere. Okay, now what about resistance in this section? Resistance in AC section, that is R of AC, is 500 meter into resistance per, that is 0.02 divided by 1000, that is 0.01 ohm, so that is 0.01 ohm. Now next one CD, that is R of CD is 400 into 0.02 divided by 1000, sorry 500, sorry, this one is also 500, so that is same, that is 0.01, that is 0.01 ohm. Clear? Now next one, that is DE. R of DE is 600 into 0.02 divided by 1000, we got 0.012. Okay, that is 0.012 ohm. Now next one EB this is equal to R of EB, that is 400 into 0.02 divided by 1000, that is 0.008, so this one is 0.008 ohm. Okay, now our motto, calculate the potential difference at each point. A potential difference of 300 is maintained at point 8, means what about VA, that is 300 volt. Our motto, determine voltage corresponding to at point C, voltage corresponding to D, voltage corresponding to E, and voltage corresponding to B. Clear? So what is our motto? Now potential difference, written as potential difference at point C, that is VC, this is equal to VA minus voltage drop corresponding to this one, that is I of AC into R of AC. Okay, I know that. If any doubt, then you can make like this one, that is R of AC, current I of AC, and moving on, that is A and that is C. I know that this one written plus minus V of A, V of C, and that is plus minus I of AC and R of AC. Apply KVL in this loop. Minus VA plus I of AC into R of AC plus VC, this is equal to 0. So what about VA? What about VC? VC is written as VA minus I of AC into R of AC. Clear? Why written VC, this is equal to VA minus I of AC into R of AC. Clear? Now next one, how to determine? That is 300. IA is 500. I of AC is 500. Whatever resistance 0.01, that is 0.01. So that is 295. That is 295 volt. Same potential difference at point D, that is VD. VD is written as VC minus V of CD into R of CD. VC is equal to, what about VC? 295 minus, that is 400 into 0.01, that is 295 minus 4, that is 291 volt. Clear? Now potential difference at point C, that is VC, this is equal to VD minus I of CD, VC, this is equal, not CD, that is okay, VC, this is VD, this is equal to VC minus something, so VE, this is equal to VD minus DE into R of DE. Okay, so VD 291 minus, that is 250 into 0.012, 291 minus, that is 0.4, so 250 into 0.012, that is 3, so that is 288 volt. Okay, now potential difference at point B, VB, this is equal to VE minus IEB into REB. Okay, so VE is 288 minus 15 to 0.08. okay, so 50 into 0.008, that is 287.6 volt. This is the final answer. Okay, clear how can resolve it? So make it